This is absolutely about being relevant and being successful in the fourth industrial revolution.
You start looking at what's coming, there's definitely uncertainty, right?
At PwC, we had to do for ourselves what we do for our clients every day. We needed to go all in for a digital transformation, investing in new technology, but also supporting our people to change how we work.
And we see that as a tremendous opportunity. It's huge. It's huge.
The CRM system we identified to do this was Salesforce. And the more we looked at Salesforce, we saw a lot of similarities with ourselves, totally client-centric in all of their thinking, just like we are.
From a scale perspective, we've got 240,000 people. In many cases, we are operating independently of each other all around the world. We really needed to bring that network together.
We knew that we needed to make it fun.
When people actively want to do something because they're having fun with it, and they're willing to engage with something in a different way, that's how you get lasting change.
So we've gamified the behaviors that we need to drive to get the value out of Salesforce. I love being a trailblazer, innovating and trying new things. I've done many escape rooms. So people get into a room, solve clues using Salesforce.
They're having fun with it, but at the same time, they're learning. But I'll tell you something else too. It's not just about the solution itself. It's the organization that you're going to be working with to get you there.
It's been great having our Success Cloud team embedded right within our program team and working collaboratively. One of the factors of success for any big transformation is having your leaders engaged. Most of these types of transformations fail because of a lack of adoption. And coaches and experts work closely one-on-one with those leaders, helping them really take ownership, get the skills, and walk the talk.
Once I was using it regularly, so did my board, and that became viral. Within a week of going live, 90% of the most senior people in this organization were on Salesforce.
I mean, that was big. We have to deliver results. That's what we're here for.
In our biggest territories, we're seeing that we've got a 30% increase in visibility to our pipeline and a 25% increase in our won opportunities. Getting people excited about the transformation journey we were on is what helped us be successful.
If we can, and we are, taking that to our clients and helping them realize the same potential that we're realizing, the rewards are big.
Going into this year, I was genuinely able to drive this business through the windscreen rather than the rearview mirror. I find it hugely exciting and actually empowering. The information available to me that improves my decision making and improves the opportunities for our business. So being able to use Salesforce and Success Cloud in this way gave us that edge.